Hello traders, and welcome back to the Forex Geek, where we dive deep into the tools that can help you make smarter trading decisions. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the SuperTrend EMA strategy, which is a powerful combination that can significantly improve your trading results. You will learn how to harness the strength of two robust indicators to identify trends, pinpoint entry and exit points, and manage your trades effectively. By the end of this video, you have a clear understanding of how to implement this strategy in your own trading. Stay tuned as we break down each component and provide you with a step-by-step guide to mastering the SuperTrend EMA strategy. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. First, let me input the SuperTrend indicator and the EMA indicator. Alright. So the SuperTrend EMA strategy is a powerful trend following system that combines two highly effective indicators, the SuperTrend and the EMA, the Exponential Moving Average. This strategy is designed to help you identify strong market trends and generate precise entry and exit signals in the Forex market. At the core of this strategy is the SuperTrend indicator developed by Olivia Seban in 2009. The SuperTrend uses the average true range ATR to determine the trend direction and potential reversal points. It appears as a line above or below price on your chart, and this indicator changes color to indicate the current trend direction. When the line is green, which is the line below the price, when the line is green and below the price, it signals an uptrend. Conversely, when the line is red and above price, it signals a downtrend. This is the red line signaling a downtrend. This is the green line signaling an uptrend. Very simple. And the exponential moving average EMA is a second component of this strategy. I'm just going to add it to the chart. This is the exponential moving average. So in the SuperTrend EMA strategy, we typically use two EMAs, a short-term EMA, preferably a 3-period EMA, and the longer term EMA, which is a 20-period moving average. And these moving averages help confirm trend direction and act as dynamic support and resistance levels. As you can see, we have the 3-period and the 20-period moving averages. The blue line is the 3-period moving average, the shorter term moving average, and the red line is the 20-period moving average, which is the longer term moving average. And this is the settings for this particular strategy, the SuperTrend EMA strategy. So by combining these two indicators, you can create a robust trading system that not only identifies trends but also provides clear entry and exit points. So as you become familiar with this strategy, you'll find it to be a valuable tool in your trading arsenal, helping you make more informed decisions in the dynamic world of Forex trading. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get into the details of this strategy. The first step is to begin by setting up your chart, just like we've done. Apply the SuperTrend indicator to your chart and use the default settings of 10 for the ATR and the period. The ATR period should be 10, and for the multiplier use 3. As you can see, this is the settings. Next, add the two exponential moving averages, just like we've done, a short-term 3-period EMA and a longer-term 20-period moving average. So the next step is to identify the trend. Open your charts, identify the trend. Do not trade in ranging markets like this one. This right here is a ranging market, and it is not advisable to trade in a ranging market. Okay, let me change the color to blue. Perfect. So we should always look for a trending market, be it bullish market or bearish market. This is you can see this is a trending market. This is a bullish market. This is a ranging market, ranging, and this is another bullish market. So the first step is setting up your indicators and applying them to your charts. The second step is identifying the trend, and the SuperTrend indicator makes trend identification straightforward. Also, when the SuperTrend line is green below price, you are in a bullish trend. Conversely, when the line is red and above price, you are in a bearish trend. So this color coding system allows you quickly assess the market direction at a glance. As you can see, we are in a bullish trend here, and Here we are also in a bullish trend. You have short-term bearish trends. So the next step is to look for entry signals. For long trades, wait for two conditions to align. The price must be above the green super trend line, and the 3-period EMA must cross above the 20-period. So we should have two confluences. We should have the EMA cross above. The shorter term EMA should cross above the longer term EMA. We have that happening here. Also, we should also wait for price to for the super trend line to be below price, and also it must be green in color, not red. So this gives us a signal to enter a buy trade. And also at the same time, you can see this engulfing candle, this bullish engulfing candle here. If you are doing your price action to support this, you can see a market structure shift here. Have this classic Quasimodo break of structure, market structure shift, and you have series of FVGs which price came back to fill in later. We have one FVG here which price filled in the next candle, and all these are just indications of areas you can take your buy trades from. I would like to take mine from here, and my stop loss just below this low, the swing low, and take profit levels could be previous resistance levels like this one, or I could just take it all the way to 1:2 risk to reward ratio, fixed risk to reward ratio. That's how I was able to trade using the SuperTrend EMA strategy, which is what we are talking about today. So let's look for another example. We have another example here, but this is for a bullish trend also. We have the EMA giving us the crossover here, short-term EMA, 3-period EMA going above the 20-period EMA. And also at the same time, we have our super trend line being below price and also showing us the green color. So we can just look to enter at the next candle after the crossover, and stop loss below this low. I'll take profits at fixed risk reward ratio of 1:2, or we could just target significant resistance levels like this one. And that's how we're able to take another buy trade using the SuperTrend EMA strategy. It's very simple. Let's look at a bearish example. This is for a bearish example, and you should, first step is to identify the trend which the SuperTrend indicator is helping us to do. And looking at the overall trend context, we are clearly in a bearish trend. As you can see, price is going down, so we should be looking to take more of sell trades than buy trades. So looking at this, we have the crossover happening here. We have the crossover happening right here, and also we have the super trend line being above price and giving us a red color. So we'll just look to take a sell trade from here. Our stop losses are above that swing high, and our take profits at key support levels like this one, or we could just target a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and you could just go on and on and on. We have a crossover here. Look at this example. We have a crossover here. For this pullback, remember we are in a downtrend overall, so we shouldn't be looking to take buy trades for long. And looking at this pullback, we had a crossover right there signaling a bullish trend in play, but we didn't exactly have the super trend line confirming immediately, just like we've been having. We had the super trend line giving us the confirmation later on here, which is a confirmation that yes, indeed we should buy. Our criteria, our confluences are all together, so we could be looking to take a buy entry from here. The stop losses below these levels here, and we could just set our take profits at 1:2, and that's how I would have been able to just trade this pullback back into this trend line for a continuation of the sales. So it's very easy. You can use this combined with RSI, with MACD and other indicators, but using the EMA and the super trend is just straightforward. You can just incorporate normal price action and market structure to your trading. Alright traders, that's how you can use to trade this SuperTrend EMA strategy. Always confirm with higher time frames to increase your profitability of your probability of success. Always check the trend on higher time frame. Or better still, just trade higher time frames only, like the 1 hour, above the 4 hour, the daily. Do not trade with this strategy on the 1 minute or on the 5 minutes time frame, as you might not know the overall context from those smaller time frames. Always use proper risk management and position sizing to protect your trading capital. With practice and discipline, the SuperTrend EMA strategy can become a valuable tool in your forex trading strategy. Alright traders, you've come to the end of the video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.